How to add a camera shortcut to the lock screen on iPhone. Adding a camera shortcut to the lock screen on iPhone is actually built in, but if you do not have that option available on your iPhone, then here is how to fix it. First of all, let's simply unlock your iPhone and navigate to its home screen. Now, once inside the home screen, you can see Settings app option available there. Simply tap on it. Once inside the settings, scroll down and look for the wallpaper option available there, and all you have to do is tap on it. Now once you tap on the wallpaper, you can see customize option available there in the lock screen page. Tap on the customize. Then once you tap on the customize, you can see plus icon available at the bottom right and left corner. Tap on it. Now look for the camera and again simply tap on it to add it on your shortcut. Now all you have to do is tap on the done option available at the top right corner of your screen and confirm the changes. Now let's go back to the home screen and simply lock your iPhone and check if the camera option is available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.